actually kind of neat. Wait, what?
It's on this side. It is green. That's rare.
Also, wait, these were listed as Otis UCLs, but these are definitely US elevators.
Yeah, these are US.
Weird. Huh.
If we're gonna ride down, let's take it to 2 and back up.
Yeah, that's what I
The
wanted to
lobby's back there. We can take those there.
Oh, look at this button. It's all messed up.
Yeah, that's definitely messed up.
Here, let's go back.
Let's go to 2.
Yeah, these are definitely not Otis. I don't know why they were listed as UCLs in the booklet. That's really weird.
It might be a different building.
No, it was definitely this place.
What's the building address?
Well, actually, we'll have to look later. Oh, you hit 2, right?
I did.
Cool.
Hello.
Hi. Sorry, guys.
It's all right.
Have a good one.
You as well.
Thank
Guys,
you.
enjoy your weekend.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you. Can I come too?
Sure.
No.
Hi.
No.
This is
I
our
guess you
elevator.
said no.
You going to 1?
1, correct? Or are you going
Yes.
to 2? Right.
Indeed, I'm going
It's always a good floor to go to.
to. Do you know that's one of the dirtiest things in the history of like everything?
Button.
Oh, the
The-
one button.
The
yeah.
one button.
This is 2.
Yeah, that's
Oh, son of a bitch. Thank y'all.
No problem.
Appreciate you.
Of course.
Lost my elevator.
Have a good one. Yeah, these were definitely US. Look at this.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it.